Good morning. My name is Sterling Connolly Chu. My friend Aaron Vertito. Welcome to Second Growth Homes. Today, we're here at Corner Bay for our first trip to the sawmills of the season. Wow. That's looking into Corner Bay. That's our first morning waking up at the Corner Bay dock for 2026 logging season. And here we go. Max power.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Waiting for the glow plug light to go off. There we go. The mill warm up, get the batteries charged up, full of fuel. Then we'll grease it, we'll get a new blade on there, and we'll get ready to cut. Next thing we need to do is go check on the chainsaws, get a sharp chainsaw, take the forklift down to get some timber. So let's go see how that goes. Wow, my chainsaw is like rusty. This handle here moves the mill up or down. Okay. And this handle here moves it forward or backwards, but the forward is also controlled with this.
Automatic, come back automatically.
It's all controlled with this handle. Okay. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna oil some stuff on the mill. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna oil are these uprights. Okay, we just started sawing our first log. LT40. Sawmill, we're going to make bevel siding out of this timber. Okay. We'll just slide this board out here and all the way out onto the stickers. And that board, so that'll be our first board. We'll cut the edges off of that and make like a 1x6. Woo! We're making 20-foot long bevel siding here today. We're doing kind of a small overlap, so we're only making 5-inch bevel siding, which is really interesting. So what we're gonna do, we're going to take a 5-inch slab out of the mill up here, another 5-inch slab here. Those slabs will be stood up on edge and sliced into bevel siding. back in operation. Take two 5-inch slabs out of there. So I need to come up to 5 1/8 plus 5 1/8 is 10 1/4. 10 1/4, and we'll cut that down. can turn out 10 by 10s, 12 by 12s all day long on this mill. Just gorgeous. And we are going to cut that in half for bevel siding. Timbers, and those two timbers will get stood up on the bevel siding jig. The bevel siding. Very cool. Okay. So far it's going great. We're gonna go ahead and drop the siding maker down. Well, this is the bevel siding jig, and this is actually an older jig that came from our first bandsaw mill, but it does work. So this handle tips it. This and that. So it makes the bevel siding. You move that handle down, and that tips the whole bed up or down. So it makes the bevel siding. So we got to get this big timber on there. Okay, so we're going to bring it all the way over, and then we tighten it up by slamming these things against it. Okay, so let's just try. Go right to the end of the timber. Okay? And I'll slide mine first. We'll just do it one at a time. Okay, so just kind of pick and slide your end over. A little more. Okay. Go back a hair, actually, sorry. Okay, there you go. And we're going to stand it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here, let me put a bar on there.
I just got to put my finger, get my finger under there.
Okay, can you tip it up a little bit? Okay, hang on. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, mama. Yeah. I'm glad we just went ahead and did this. These are huge. So I'll do my end first.
You pushing it my way?
I'm going to push it like that. I'll go ahead and bring yours over. Good. And you can slide these by squeezing right there. Good, slide them all over. And let me check the length real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, I love making bevel siding. We do this in spruce and cedar. I actually really like the spruce myself. It holds the paint better, lasts really long. So it looks like we got to move it once, Aaron. So let's back those off a little bit. So there, I just need to move this timber that way a couple inches. Okay, that's good. And then you just need to tie your rope over out of the way. We'll try to make some bevel siding here today. That's what it's all about. of this jig at the end of this thing. I'll go all the way down. There you go, yep. Can you flip that handle for me? Can you flip that handle? There's our second timber of the day going on the lap siding jig. Ready? Oh yeah. Woo! Nice. Awesome. Here is our second 5-inch wide timber. And I just make them 5 inches and then as tall as I can is how we do it. So this is something like a 5 by 15 inch timber. We got a beautiful pile of bevel siding going here. I think we got 18 pieces out of that first beam. So this should get us to 36. So it'll only take us 2 of these really long 20-foot logs to get our full length 20-foot siding. And then maybe 2 or 3 of these 12-footers, and that small order will be done. So let's go ahead and start the mill and keep going. It's going really well. Second growth spruce timber we have is so nice. When the knots are 1 inch or less, it's absolutely prime material. Straight, true. I mean,